How's it going all here? You're back with John, and we're going to remove a camper toilet. Unfortunately, I've done this 2 or 3 times. The first couple times were due to a flaw in Dometic's toilet manufacturing, and then when we changed RVs and wanted to keep our new toilet. This time it's due to improper winterization. We took our camper out in some pretty cold weather in late December, and when we got everything kind of heated up, and we noticed a little puddle forming on the ground near the toilet. So when I winterize for, again, Carolina region, when I leave a camping trip, I open up all of my drains, my low points, my fresh water, my hot water tank, my PRV on the hot water tank. All my faucets open up. So hopefully as you're driving on the road, it all drains out of all the lines and stuff like that. You're going up and down hills, changing angles. So done it for 4 years like that. Perfectly fine. No issues. I think this time we got lucky where it didn't crack the bowl, because we do have a ceramic bowl toilet. And it cracked a plastic fitting where the supply water comes in for it. That's what we're gonna be removing the toilet, and we're gonna be inspecting to see if we can find the cracked fitting, and then see what kind of fitting we need to purchase. And I wanted to. It's early January, and I want to try to get this done now. I don't know if this is gonna be a Dometic special fitting. We'll see. No, I said I'll be removing the toilet. I'm gonna first try one thing to not remove it. So this is where the valve it's leaking from. Took this camper out. It was leaking from the bottom right here. So I'm gonna take this line off, and then there's actually some hex heads to take out. So I might see if this whole plastic fitting comes out, and maybe then I can see the crack from it. Hopefully that won't be too bad, and maybe it'll actually save a little bit of time. We'll see. Alright, I don't know how exactly this video is going to compile now, because ran into some struggles. So I am going to have to remove the toilet, not just because I can't get a good eye on things. So my socket is stuck in that hole to take the valve off. And I just need to get it out to actually look at it a little better. So take your nut off right down there, and then take your nut off right down, let's see, right down there. You can see that there. And then literally the toilet will come out after that. Alright, everybody. Well, of course, when you can get your eyes on the actual problem and take a look at stuff, it usually becomes more apparent. So when the toilet was installed, it would be extremely hard to see this extra tab here. So this sits in there like that. And I mean, look, maybe I needed to feel around a little more to find this right here. Somebody probably does find it normally, but basically this is what I knew was leaking, and I was hitting this top pull tab, and I wasn't hitting this one. So you can see I have my socket stuck in there. I actually don't think I've loosened anything, because the socket does not go down far enough. Also says danger, do not remove. I'm not that scared of removing things like that, but anyway, so the good news is it does seem to be, can you see that right there? That would be the cause of the leak. So good news there. Probably a pretty replaceable component. I'm sure it cracks for everybody. Heck, you can see, yeah, it's cracked pretty good right there, and looks like there could be even a little crack right there. You can see. I'm gonna now look for that that valve, and should be a pretty easy replacement. In summary, probably should have just taken the toilet out to begin with. Would have saved myself a tiny bit of headache trying to get my socket out of there. Yeah, for the most part, minor damage, which is nice, and there's no other cracks in the actual base or ceramic or anything like that. So replacing that valve should just do it, and so it makes me pretty happy. So anyway, thanks for watching.